Hi everyone, the next assignment from Module 6 is Bake Off. Select the title, and we want it actually in all uppercase. So if you select it, you can choose Change Case and Uppercase. And while it's selected, if you wanted to change the font type and color, you could. What you could also do is add in the tipped over paint bucket shading, if you wanted to add a background shading that goes across the screen. The next thing you would do is select Company Bake Off, and again, if you want to change the font type and the size, that's fine. The same thing with November 18th. There's no exact size or color choices. You can do whatever you'd like. And the same thing with time. I'll just put that in a larger font and bold. At the bottom of this, you were supposed to press Control End, which would take you to the end of the document, and you were to add this table here. Well, I've already typed it for you, and there was 3 columns: category, category, host, and location. But because it's already typed, all we're going to do is change it from tabbed, a tab section, to a table. You would have selected 3 columns and 7 rows. So we're going to select what we want changed from a tabbed setup to a table. So select your range, click Insert, Table, because again, these are unshaded because you've already selected the text. Choose Convert Text to Table, and it automatically knows that there's 3 columns and 7 rows, and go ahead and click OK. And I just wanted to share with you, if you had a table and you decided you didn't want the table and you wanted to convert it back to tabs, in the Table Tools layout, there's actually a feature to convert to text. So you could actually put it back to tabs and OK. So I just wanted to share that with you. The other thing, if you wanted to, right now you can see that the columns are not equal. So if you choose Distribute Columns Equal, it would split them evenly. There's also another feature. Right now they're of equal width, but as you can see, the first column category is not as doesn't need as much space as the other 2. But what happens is each column is equally distributed across the window. So if you decided to choose Auto Fit and choose Auto Fit Contents, each width of each column will be the size of the longest item. So it shortens the size of it. It doesn't go across the whole window. So you could keep it like that, or you could keep it where it goes across, fits the whole window. And if you wanted to equal them again, you could choose Distribute Columns Equally. And at this time, if you wanted to go to Design and select a different design feature, you're welcome to do that. Any color choice design you'd like. The next thing we'll do is we'll actually create a footer with your name in it. So if you choose Insert and choose Footer, go ahead and choose Blank. And right now it's to the left. If you do Control E, it'll take you to the center and you'll type your name. And to exit the footer, you can either click Close Header or Footer, or double click anywhere in the document and it takes you out of the footer. So we'll add a picture of a cake to the side here, and that would be Insert Online, and you can go get a slice of cake if you'd like. Anything you'd like. And again, it might be huge, so I'm going to go with maybe 2 inches to see what that looks like. And again, it's inline text picture, so in order to move it freely, click the layout options and choose square, and then you can drag it over to the side. Make sure you're within the margins. There you go. And if you'd like to have the picture wider, you can, taller, it's your choice. If you want this paragraph in justified, Control J will justify the paragraph for you. And I know that in design borders there are slices of cakes. If you wanted to add that to your document, you're free to do that. And then anything else you'd like to change. Now if I were to view it as one page, I can see that it's got that 1 inch top margin and there's more empty space on the bottom. So if you'd like, you could choose Layout, choose Page Setup, and then go to the tab that has Layout and Vertical Alignment, Center. And then if you look down at the footer, sometimes it's hard to see depending on your picture. Your name may not be clear because of the border. So if you go into Insert, or actually just double click into the footer, that'll save you some time. You can actually choose Format Footer from bottom, and then you can just bring it up a little bit if you need to. And now you can see my name clearly, and I'll just X out. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.